Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great today. I have a really interesting and exciting recipe to share with you. Have you ever tried using garlic for wrinkles? I know it might sound a little unusual, but garlic actually has some incredible properties that make it a fantastic ingredient in anti-aging skincare. Yes, you heard it right. Today we're going to dive into the amazing world of garlic and how it can help us reduce those pesky wrinkles. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm always sharing natural skincare tips and recipes, and I'd love for you to join our community. So, let's get started. Now, let's talk about how to make our very own anti-aging garlic cream. You might be wondering, how can garlic possibly help with wrinkles? Well, garlic is packed with a bunch of vitamins like A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, C, and E. Plus, it contains minerals that are super beneficial for the skins. The secret ingredient in garlic is a compound called allicin, which actually helps inhibit the formation of wrinkles and can even help reduce the appearance of existing ones. It also has powerful anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. To start off, we will need about 8 cloves of garlic. Go ahead and peel them and get them ready. Next, we're going to add about 250 milliliters of water, roughly a cup, to a saucepan. Then, toss in the garlic cloves. We're gonna cook them on the stove for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want them to become soft but not mushy. By the way, while we wait for the garlic to cook, let me know in the comments which city you're watching from. I absolutely love reading your comments and seeing where you're tuning in from. Once the garlic is nice and soft, remove it from the heat and let it cool down a bit. After it's cool enough to handle, mash it up really well. You want a smooth, creamy texture. Once mashed, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to separate the garlic pulp from the liquid. This step is important to make sure our cream has a nice consistency. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal and beauty benefits? It's not just great for cooking, it's a true powerhouse when it comes to skincare. Once strained, we'll add a little more water to make the mixture smoother. Next, add a tablespoon of cornstarch and give it a good mix. Put the mixture back on low heat and stir continuously until it turns into a creamy, thick consistency. Once it's nice and creamy, divide the mixture into 2 parts. To 1 part, we're going to add a teaspoon of almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, feel free to use any oil that works for your skin type. Next, we'll add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel for that extra soothing touch. Finally, to give it a pleasant scent, we'll add about 3 to 4 drops of lavender essential oil. You can actually use any essential oil you prefer. Mix everything really well, and then store your homemade garlic cream in a small glass jar. Make sure to keep it in the fridge, where it will stay fresh for up to 7 days. When you're ready to use it, simply apply it to your face and neck, especially focusing on areas with fine lines and wrinkles. You can even apply it around your eyes. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing off. Use this cream about 3 times a week, and you'll start noticing results within the first week. And guess what? We're not done yet. We're going to make a second cream using honey, which is amazing for moisturizing the skin and preventing wrinkles. Take about 2 teaspoons of natural honey, mix it well, and add your favorite essential oil. Personally, I love using orange and cinnamon. It smells so good. And don't worry, despite using garlic, the cream doesn't smell like it. Adding essential oils really makes a difference. Store this honey cream in the fridge as well. And apply it to your face and neck, just like the first one. Let it sit for about an hour while you relax. Then, wash it off with lukewarm water. Use this cream 3 to 4 times a week for best results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment down below. I really appreciate all your support. And always remember, before trying out new skincare recipes, make sure to do a patch test or consult your doctor, especially if you have sensitive skin. Thanks so much for watching, and stay beautiful. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.